Hello investors, this is Velto Maureen. How are you? How is your day going? Hope you guys are doing good. Okay, right now I'm coming from inspecting. I'm just inspecting this beautiful estate called Citiview Estate. It's just right on the express. You can see me, I'm on the express. Woo! This estate is just by the express actually. And it's because we just launched it today, it's actually selling at a giveaway price. This is serious awoof price. 4 million naira. You have this portion of plot in this estate. Wonderful title, Gazette. Now estates around here are selling for 10 million, 12, 8 million, but this one is selling for 4 million. It's just for the next 1 week though. So if you're interested in owning a property right on the road, call me.